In the ever-evolving landscape of the internet, there are countless opportunities for individuals to generate income without ever leaving the comfort of their homes. One of the most popular and accessible methods is affiliate marketing. It's a dynamic and lucrative field that allows individuals to earn commissions by promoting other companies' products or services. With dedication, strategic planning, and a solid understanding of the principles involved, anyone can transform their online presence into a profitable affiliate marketing venture. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the intricacies of affiliate marketing, offering practical tips and strategies to help you go from earning nothing to making a steady $5,000 per month. Understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing operates on a simple premise. You promote products or services offered by other companies and earn a commission for every sale or action generated through your referral. This model eliminates the need to create your own products or services, manage inventory, or handle customer service. Instead, you focus on driving traffic and conversions to the affiliate partner's website. Choosing your niche. Selecting the right niche is crucial to your success in affiliate marketing. A niche is a specific segment of the market that caters to a particular audience with distinct needs and interests. When choosing a niche, consider your passions, interests, and expertise. Research potential niches to identify profitable opportunities with sufficient demand and limited competition. Researching affiliate programs. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to research affiliate programs that align with your chosen market. Look for reputable companies with high-quality products or services, competitive commission rates, and reliable tracking and payment systems. Popular affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and Commission Junction offer a wide range of affiliate programs across various industries. Building your platform. Establishing a strong online presence is essential for attracting and engaging your target audience. Whether you choose to create a blog, YouTube channel, social media profiles, or a combination of these platforms, focus on providing valuable content that resonates with your audience. Consistency is key. Regularly publish high-quality content to establish yourself as an authority in your niche and build trust with your audience. Creating compelling content. Content is the cornerstone of affiliate marketing. Create informative, engaging, and relevant content that addresses the needs, concerns, and interests of your audience. Incorporate persuasive call to actions, CTAs, encouraging readers to click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. Experiment with different content formats such as blog posts, videos, tutorials, reviews, and social media posts to diversify your outreach and appeal to different audience preferences. Implementing effective SEO strategies. Search engine optimization (SEO) is essential for driving organic traffic to your affiliate marketing platform. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant keywords and phrases with high search volume and low competition. Optimize your content, meta tags, headings, and URLs to improve your visibility and rankings in search engine results pages, SERPs. Additionally, focus on creating valuable backlinks from authoritative websites within your niche to enhance your site's credibility and authority. Leveraging email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful tool for nurturing relationships with your audience and promoting affiliate products or services. Build an email list by offering incentives such as lead magnets, freebies, or exclusive content to encourage visitors to subscribe. Segment your email list based on subscribers' interests, preferences, and behaviors to deliver personalized and targeted content. Incorporate affiliate links strategically within your emails, focusing on providing value and solving your subscribers' problems. Engaging with your audience. Interacting with your audience is vital for building rapport, fostering trust, and increasing engagement. Respond promptly to comments, messages, and inquiries across your various platforms. Encourage feedback, suggestions, and discussions to foster a sense of community and belonging. By actively engaging with your audience, you demonstrate authenticity, credibility, and a genuine commitment to their needs and interests. Analyzing and optimizing performance. Continuous monitoring and analysis of your affiliate marketing efforts are essential for optimizing performance and maximizing results. Track key metrics such as traffic, click-through rates, CTR, conversion rates, and revenue generated from affiliate sales. Identify trends, patterns, and areas for improvement to refine your strategies and tactics. Affiliate marketing offers a low-cost, low-risk opportunity for individuals to generate passive income and achieve financial independence. By choosing the right niche, selecting reputable affiliate programs, building a strong online presence, creating compelling content, implementing effective marketing strategies, and continuously analyzing and optimizing performance, you can go from earning nothing to making a steady $5,000 per month through affiliate marketing. Remember, success in affiliate marketing requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to adapt and evolve with the ever-changing digital landscape. So, roll up your sleeves, embrace the challenge, and embark on your journey to affiliate marketing success. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, happy affiliate marketing!